Send it over to your right.
Great news is, I found a friend. Look at this fluffy son of a gun. He could be my twin. Hello, handsome. Oh no, this is just a dust bunny. Just a clump of dust. Not gonna lie, pretty disappointed. Still a cool guy though.
Oh, Max, look, more puppies are coming in.
Oh wow, there's just so many of them.
Hey, little guys.
So how do I put this delicately, you're strays?
Wouldn't it be great if someone could just adopt all of them?
Sure, but they don't exactly look house-trained.
Hey, maybe I could adopt one.
Duke, I love you, man, but you are barely house-trained yourself.
Yeah, true. Hey, you guys should go see Snowball.
That's a good idea. He helps all kinds of animals.
And he does it in a cape. So, you know he's a hero. Garbage truck, get out of here!
Sorry.
We have to yell at it to leave, or it'll just stay there.
This place will be wall-to-wall garbage trucks and mailmen. Listen for us.
Wait, what the? More dogs are walking in. Look at all of you. You in the shirt. How dig you look? Who's your groom? Wow, you puppies smell like churros and popcorn. Man, you're making me hungry. Welcome to the secret lair of Captain Snowball. Although there are way more people than anticipated. I don't really know how much longer this lair is going to continue to be a secret. But before we... Wait a minute, what is that noise? Hey, you in the back. No chewing the furniture. See, this is the kind of thing that won't get you adopted. People do not like to have their stuff chewed. Listen and learn, puppies. Look, we gotta find you guys a family while you're still puppies. We got a ticket clock, and you're not getting in the queue. Luckily for you puppies, there's an adoption event happening right now at the pet store just a few blocks away. But we gotta hurry.
Don't listen to Chloe. She is just bitter with her place in life. She's just mad because she's not a dog. It's gonna be fine, okay? Just listen to Captain Snowball and do exactly what he says. Unless he say something crazy, which he probably will. Anyways, have fun.
You're trespassing in my alley. I'll cut you this way and that. I'll make you look like a waffle.
Wait! I love cats! Ow! Eat off my belt! No! Oh. Okay, good one, guys. Let me go!
I'm just gonna strap myself to a rocket. These rockets are gonna get us to the pet store twice as fast. Really did.
This is gonna be great! You're gonna be all clean and fluffy, and you're gonna get adopted in no time.
Remind me why I'm helping you puppies again?
What do you say? You want to come home with us?
Yes, I love today.
U.S.A, I got you home.
You guys leaving already? I just found this place.
You love me. I just get back home. That's all I know.
Welcome.